how to change your voice to a robot voice like this.
Alright, so to change your voice to a robot voice on the Instagram Reels app, select whatever. It could be a picture, it could be a video. Click on add. Just make sure that that video or picture has a voiceover. Click on review. Now I'm going to record my voice in the app because it's a picture, of course, without any voiceover. So I'm going to click on that microphone button here, delete this, then start.
Create a voice like this, like turn your voice to robot voice.
So the magic now is in this voice effect. This is the one I use, but you can use to decide to use any one.
Create a voice like this, like turn your voice to robot voice.